camera is dead. It took a full force hit. There's a little coil in there that came off the board. I just so happen to have another dead camera that's got one of those coils on there, so hopefully I'll be able to swap it over. Be back in action soon. Just a little hot glue. Glue all that back together and kind of patch it like I've already done there. Broken skewer. That's where I hit the tree, I believe. Oh well.
I want candy, bubblegum and taffy. Skip to the sweet shop with my sweetheart Sandy. Got my penny saved, so I'm a sugar daddy. I'm a Hugh Cronin, she my Jessica Tandy. I want candy. Put it in a pile, split it with my bitty, 50-50 down the line. Kinda like close encounters of the cavity kind. I'm talking licorice, kisses, talking chocolate down smiles. I want candy. I got a sugar tooth. Put on your shingle Sandy, cause I wanna knock boots. Lick a peppermint stick till the lollipop droops. Come drop it, don't stop till it's lit, not loose. I need candy, bubblegum and taffy. Get my way, punk, you're gonna get your ass beat nasty. Do it to your daddies, embarrass your whole family. Just cause you came between a kid and his candy. I need candy. Any kind will do, don't care if it's nutritious or FDA approved. It's gonna make me spaz like bobcats on booze. A hyperactive juice that only I can produce. I've used a giant drill, born straight into hell. Releasing ancient demons from their sleep forever spell so they can walk upon the earth and get resituated. And hawk the diet pills and be people created. I need candy, most of candy, eat candy till I'm dead. I'll kill you for some candy, give me candy, candy head. Why you keeping all the candy? Who made you candy king? If you don't give me some candy, I will make the ladies sick.